Did you know that in Greek mythology, a hero literally tried to fly to heaven and join the gods? His name was Bellerophon, and he started as the ultimate champion. First, he tamed Pegasus, the legendary winged horse. Then he rode into battle against the Chimera, a monster with a lion's head, goat's body, and serpent's tail that was terrorizing the land. Against all odds, Bellerophon slayed the beast and became the greatest hero alive. But success went straight to his head. He decided he was so amazing that he deserved to live on Mount Olympus with the gods themselves. So he climbed onto Pegasus and flew straight up toward heaven. Zeus was not impressed. The king of the gods sent a tiny gadfly to sting Pegasus mid-flight. The horse bucked wildly, throwing Bellerophon off his back. The hero plummeted back to earth like a falling star. He survived the crash, but barely. Bellerophon was left crippled and blind, spending the rest of his miserable life wandering alone. The man who once soared with the gods ended up crawling in the dirt.